rainbow basket, reflector, working brakes. Never forget your helmet, trusty Mitzi. I'm off to the morning market. 33 lemons, a healthy looking chicken, and a dozen of free range eggs. Thanks, keep the change. Whistling a tune, I'm home. What a perfect day. I hang the sheets out in the yard, load up my baking tray, thinking about you, mother, to recite her famous words. I need a salt and pepper to taste the happiness of life forever. Then the moon rose and cream lemon chicken roasted in the oven, and in black kicked down my front door. Hey, who, what, why? You violated Act 617. Equal thoughts, you're on the road. We all know the real answer was you shouldn't have been